The following demonstrates installing WEATHER GUARD Van Shelving using the enhanced method of installation. It's recommended that you read the directions shipped with the shelving when purchased before proceeding. Step 1. Attach mounting channel to the wall of the van using blind fasteners and/or other hardware specific to the application. See instructions that ship with the mounting kit for more details. Step 2. Start by assembling and adding doors, back panels, accessory drawers, and mounting brackets to the shelving unit outside of the van. Do not attach floor mounting brackets at this time. Then, with the help of an assistant, place the shelving unit inside the van in the desired location. Step 3. Check the underside of the vehicle for obstructions, fuel tanks, or anything else that might be in the path of drilling. Level the shelving and attach to upper mounting channel. Step 4. Place the floor mounting brackets at the bottom of the shelving unit without attaching to end panels for use as stencils. Mark drill locations, drill holes, and install blind fasteners. Step 5. Connect floor mounting brackets to floors and end panels using hardware that's shipped with the shelving unit. Step 6. Attach mounting brackets to the mounting channel. Step 7. Install end panel straps to the shelving unit and the mounting channel. Step 8. Tighten all bolts and check that the unit is secure.